Oh my gosh, it's 8:56 in the morning. I have no idea why I'm filming this. I actually do know why I'm filming this. What's up, everybody? If you're actually watching this video, this is actually going to be a breakdown of how to actually get clearer audio, whether that be on either YouTube or Twitch for your Twitch live streams, or even for your YouTube videos like the one I'm actually recording right now. This is basically going to be a 3-step breakdown of just how to get clearer audio, both physically and in the video that's actually going to be uploaded conjunction to this video. I'm actually going to be sharing you guys the basic 4 filters that I actually use in order to actually get clearer audio, whether that be in Stream Elements or Streamlabs or just regular OBS. What's up, everybody? My name is Danny, otherwise known as the Techaholic, and in this video, like I said earlier, is going to be the 3-step breakdown of what you can physically do in order to actually get clearer audio, whether that be on your YouTube videos or your Twitch live stream. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. The reason that I actually created this video was because I would say 2 or 3 years back, I actually didn't know that much about audio interfaces and much about audio filters as well. And the main reason why I actually dabbled into this was mainly because the friends that I actually made on either YouTube or Twitch, or just playing games with them either on Steam or Counter-Strike, they basically gave me so many compliments on how well my audio sounds, whether that be on my YouTube videos that I shared to them, or even when we're actually playing games, or whether we're in a match or something like that. And I'm basically going to give you guys the 3 reasons, as well as show you guys the filters in the video that's actually going to be conjunction to this video. With that being said, let's get right into the 3-step process. The basic first physical step that you're actually going to have to follow is you're actually going to have to make sure that the microphone is actually facing towards you. This step people really miss out on because of the different polar patterns, and people really think that you can actually talk towards the microphone which or whether direction that it's actually facing. This can actually affect both the way that you sound as well as how muffled you are. So the main reason why I actually recommend people to actually know which polar pattern that their microphone isn't as muffled as it might be, because a lot of people really don't care about if your camera quality is low. They really care more about how clear you sound and basically how you present yourself in your videos. So I really recommend just doing a little bit of research. It might even take a single 2-minute Google search basically on which polar pattern your microphone is. The second step is actually choosing the right input and output. A lot of people like me also have this problem when they actually have a webcam microphone as well as a actual external microphone. What you want to do, I'm actually going to share my screen right now. And what you're basically going to do, whether it's in Streamlabs or Stream Elements, you're basically going to go to your microphone and auxiliary output. You're going to click properties. You want to make sure whichever device that you want to go for your microphone output is actually accepted. Now, if you want your webcam microphone to be accepted as your device, you just click webcam microphone. But in this case, since I have an external microphone, you actually want to have it set towards your audio device or USB audio device that I currently have right now. And just make sure that it's actually picking up your actual voice. And that's basically it for setting up your both input and output on all of your actual microphones. And the actual third physical step that I actually recommend people to actually follow is a phrase that I'm not sure if someone actually created this phrase, but I just thought of this phrase while I was actually creating this video. And that's basically a term called feeding your wires. And basically feeding your wires to me is just another word for cable management. And cable management, I feel, is one of the most important steps to have a clear and a clean setup, not just for if you're doing a setup video or if you're just doing everyday tasks. The main reason why I think feeding your wires and having it all managed and everything is because it makes life easier, and you can actually fix the certain situation in case either your microphone blows out, or if a monitor blows out, or you can't get like a picture on your monitor, or even if a speaker blows out. Basically, you can actually go towards which cable is actually the source or the actual problem, so you can fix it both quick and efficiently. Okay, so the main example that I want to show you guys is on my boom arm. Basically, you can actually see I'm actually giving my microphone a little bit of slack, and the main reason why I do that is because I actually had to get this cable replaced. And the main reason why I actually had to get this cable replaced was because this part of the microphone kept bending. It was giving out a really terrible input and output. It actually cost like $5 or $10 to replace it. It's really cheap because the microphone is actually like $30 or $40. But just imagine if you actually had like a $200 microphone and the cable basically blew out, and you would have to replace it with another XLR microphone. It can get really pricey, so I highly recommend and just follow these steps to get a much more clear input and output from your microphone. But that's basically it for the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. There's actually going to be a follow-up video to this, basically going over the basic filters that I actually use either in Streamlabs or Stream Elements. You can actually use them for both of them, and I'm actually going to show the example in Streamlabs, but I actually use it also in Stream Elements. It's going to be uploaded the same actual time as this video is going to be uploaded. The main reason why I recommend watching this video first is because it's physical and the filters actually come after this. So watch this video first and then watch that video. I'll actually put a time card up like right here basically to show you guys that you should watch this video basically before you actually watch that video. But that's basically it for the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. If you want to know the link to my actual audio interface and the basic microphone that I use, I'll actually also leave that in the description box below. I love each and every single one of you guys. I'm Danny, otherwise known as the Techaholic. And I'll see you guys. Well, you're going to watch the other video, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Leave you sleeping on the mezzanine like you Lincoln, then switch it to a desert scene. Often heard, but this motherfucker seldom seen. I'm throwing blows while you waiting for the bell to ring. Drug smoking, razors make the pasta sweet. Slumped over when the barrel and your posture meet. Stay